Hello, my name is Mitchell Kling. I'm the technology specialist here at Lexus River Center, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to pair your profile and also your phone to your Bluetooth in the new Lexus interface. Alright, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to want to go to settings. So that's in the bottom left-hand corner right there, the little gear icon. And my profile is actually already loaded on there, so I just have to tap that. But first thing you'll want to do is on the phone, click Add a Vehicle, and then scan QR code so you have that ready. I'm gonna go ahead and click on my profile name, enter in my PIN, and it will start the whole process. Now we want to save the profile, and then I'll have to enter in my phone number. And it's going to send me a link to download the app, but I already have that app downloaded. Now we have the QR code. We just go ahead and scan that. It's going to ask me for my verification, so I have to re-log into the app. We'll do that. And now the vehicle will start linking. And so, all the vehicle details pull up onto the phone. My preferred servicing dealer is Performance Lexus River Center, so I'm going to keep that there. I'll hit Save Changes. And there's all my trials. We got Safety Connect, Drive Connect, Remote Connect, and also Wi-Fi. They all have different trial periods, but most of them are 10 years, 3 years, and then 30 days. We'll hit continue. And you'll see on this car screen, it gives you the option to set up Bluetooth, but I want to go ahead and accept all these on my phone first before we do anything. And now we have the vehicle added onto the phone. We'll let that load through here shortly. And now my remote will be activated here shortly. I have the start-stop button, the digital key, can lock and unlock my car. Alright, now that we got our profile on here, we want to add our Bluetooth device. So we'll go over here to Bluetooth and devices. Also go to Bluetooth on the phone. And now we'll search for devices. You see Lexus RX pulls up there. We'll click on that. The codes match, so we'll hit pair on the phone, and then on the screen. We'll hit allow on the phone. And now use for CarPlay, and also set this as a primary device. Enable CarPlay. Allow to check for apps. Now all my apps are on this screen, and now we are fully paired. You can see our phone is connected with the profile and everything, since we made me the primary driver. Use for CarPlay, and also my phone is connected to my profile. And now we're all set.